the only formula that you're going to get today is the volume of a pyramid or cone. The formula for the volume of a pyramid or cone is exactly the same for both of them. It's the area of the base times by the height, and then you divide the answer by 3. Can I give you a minute? Can you get that formula down, please? Well, that zoo over there. It's gone off. If they were yelling in Japanese, I'd be all right. Well, no, they're just yelling. So get that formula, volume of pyramid or cone. You can write it on your booklet. I don't care what you write in your booklet. I'm just marking the booklet at the end. It'll be around week 3 of next term.
So it's just base times height divided by 3?
No, the area of the base times by the height divided by 3. Yeah. That's where the only trick comes, is the area of the base is different if it's a pyramid. Because a pyramid, the base is either a rectangle or a square. How do you find the area of a rectangle or a square? Length times width. So if you're doing a pyramid, the area of your base is going to be length times width. And then you'll times it by height, and then you divide the answer by 3. What shape is the base of a cone? It's a circle. So the area of the base for a cone is going to be pi times by radius squared, because that's the area of a circle. So if you're doing the volume of a cone, you're going to be pi times by radius squared, then times it by height, and then divide it by 3. Okay? Can you get that diagram down? You can put it on the exact same area in your booklet, and then I'll demonstrate the first one for you, and then the rest of the double would chill. You can do some deadlifts if you want. Set up the switch, lollies. That bag's like almost full.
Wait, so what's the little thing in the middle of the pyramid?
Middle of?
The pyramid.
The pyramid, that's length.
No, here.
Oh, that's telling you that from the middle of the base up to the tip is 5 centimeters, so it's 5 centimeters tall. Okay? You're allowed to double check, that's fine. I'm not actually giving you the answer.
You just said shut up, Shannon, to me. No reason.
So yeah, I'll demonstrate the first one to you. Volume of this one. Shush, boys. I'm already fighting that. I don't have to fight you. What shape are we finding the volume of? Is that a pyramid or is that a cone? That's a pyramid. So the area of the base is going to be length times by width. So I'm looking at 3. What do I notice about the base? Are all the sides of the base the same? So it's going to be 3 times by 3. That's the area of the base. Times by, our friend over here told us the height of it was 5. And then you divide the answer by 3. So 3 times 3 is 9 times 5, 45 divided by 3. That's going to be 15. And because we're talking volume, it's going to be cubic centimeters. So you get a free answer out of those 4 in your booklet. The rest of the lesson, please. Let me remind you, you are doing 16. There's 4 questions there, but I just did one for you. 17 and 18. Each one of these bold ones that you do, I'm fine for you to get a lolly. It's the last day of the term. If you finish everything, I set up the switch, you can just chill. Okay? We can chat. I'd like to chat bikes with my mate over, because the one bike is so good.
Yeah.
I upgraded to full Dior now.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to pick it up after school. That's on the recording, but I don't care. I would like everyone to know how much into mountain bikes I am.